Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: stablecoins and their fascinating history in the crypto world. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. And now, let's dive into the world of stablecoins. Before we get into the history of stablecoins, let's first understand what they are. In simple terms, stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, stablecoins aim to minimize the volatility commonly associated with the crypto market. They achieve this by pegging their value to a more stable asset, such as a fiat currency like the US dollar or euro. Now, let's take a journey through the history of stablecoins. The concept of stablecoins gained momentum around 2014 when the crypto community started exploring alternatives to the price volatility of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. One of the earliest and most well-known stablecoins is Tether, USDT, launched in 2014. Tether aimed to create a digital asset with a value pegged to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. This provided users with a convenient way to move funds between exchanges without relying on traditional banking systems. As stablecoins gained popularity, other projects emerged. In 2018, TrueUSD, TUSD, and Paxos Standard, PAX, were introduced. These stablecoins offered similar value stability and quickly gained traction among traders and investors seeking a reliable hedge against market volatility. However, stablecoins faced challenges along the way. Transparency and trust became key concerns. In 2019, a controversy erupted surrounding Tether's claim of being fully backed by reserves. This raised questions about the level of transparency and prompted the search for alternative solutions. In response to these concerns, a new wave of stablecoins known as algorithmic stablecoins emerged. These stablecoins maintain their peg by utilizing smart contract algorithms instead of relying solely on traditional reserves. A prominent example of an algorithmic stablecoin is DAI, launched by MakerDAO in 2017. Operating on the Ethereum blockchain, DAI maintains its value through a system of collateralized debt positions. This mechanism provides an additional layer of transparency and stability. As the demand for stablecoins continued to rise, major players in the tech industry also entered the space. In 2019, Facebook announced its ambitious stablecoin project called Libra, which was later rebranded as Diem. The announcement sparked intense debates and discussions among regulators and central banks worldwide due to potential implications for the global financial system. Since then, stablecoins have evolved and diversified. New stablecoins have entered the market, each with its own unique features and value propositions. Some stablecoins focus on specific regions or industries, while others explore different collateral mechanisms to maintain stability. In conclusion, stablecoins have revolutionized the cryptocurrency space by providing a bridge between the traditional financial system and the crypto world. With their stable value and various implementations, stablecoins offer users a reliable and accessible means of transacting, which brings us to the end of our exploration into the world of stablecoins and their fascinating history in the crypto realm. We hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of what stablecoins are and how they have evolved over time. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay updated with the latest insights and trends in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on stablecoins or any questions you might have. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to better serve you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update from our channel. See you soon!